I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my YouTube video for October 15th. I'm very excited. I got a new Toledo Mud Hens shirt, which moves me closer to my goal of Toledo Mud Hens all the time. For those of you who don't know what a mud hen is, it's a marsh bird, otherwise known as an American coot, like me. If you want to see more of my stuff, you can go to my site, jubakpicks.com, which has 3 portfolios and a couple posts a day. You can go to my subscription site, jubakam.com, which has 6 portfolios and everything that I post during the day. Today's topic is, what if the economic forecasts are wrong? And it's important because the economic forecasts looking ahead are pretty good. The IMF, the International Monetary Fund, forecast for 2022 came out, and global growth in 2022, they said is going to be 4.9%, almost 5%. But we're starting to see signs that the 2 big drivers for global growth, the United States economy and the Chinese economy, are both showing a little wobbly. So we're going to get new economic output numbers from China beginning of next week. And the betting among economists is that it's going to show a drop in output for the third quarter to about a 5% growth rate, which sounds great, except that it's down from 7.9% in the second quarter. Big drop, trended heading the wrong way. In the US, the Atlanta Fed, which does a real-time forecast of economic growth, is looking at 1.3% growth in the third quarter, and that's down from 2 months ago when they were looking at 6% forecast. Okay, so you're looking at all these trends that are sort of making it, the market's got these forecasts priced in right now. They're looking at pretty good growth for 2022. If we're going to see some of this faltering, again, not a recession or anything like that, but just lower growth rates, it would argue that we're going to see some rocky times for stocks. The one sector, and I've covered this in my Trend of the Week video recently, the one sector that on recent performance I would say is the place you want to be if growth starts to look a little rocky is cybersecurity. The investor and trader take is that basically these stocks will continue to see rising revenue because their growth is not predicated on the growth in the economy, it's predicated on growth in hacking threats, ransomware, etc., etc. The 3 stocks to look at, I've again mentioned these before, is CrowdStrike. You can see what I'm really interested is in this part of it right here, because we're looking at in September when things faltered, we did get a pullback. 9.2 was the high for the market as a whole. So we got a pullback, but we've since been rocketing upwards, and we've seen 5%, 7% growth per, gains per day in these stocks when sentiment toward the economy changed. So CrowdStrike is one I look at. Another cybersecurity stock is SentinelOne. It's a more recent IPO, so it only goes back to, as you see here, July. Big spikes. Again, you're seeing a very good set of gains in October, and this is one of the reasons why I think that if you're going to see worries about the economy, this is a place to put your money, because again, the assumption is that these are not predicated on economic growth, but rather on security growth. And the last one of these is Okta, OKTA, symbol and name. And you see what you get is these kind of ups and downs. But again, a big market-beating jump when you see sentiment swing toward more economic growth. So rather than trying to hide in cyclicals or consumer stocks, because I think if the economy is slowing down, these are stocks that are going to get hit pretty badly. I'd look at this particular small sector if you had some new money that you need to put to use. So thanks for watching. If you want more information, go to jubakpicks.com. You'll see that link down below. Jubakam.com, which is my subscription site. More portfolios, more picks, more posts. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like notification of when things are going to appear. Thanks very much.